All practice pages and other materials for learning cursive are available at my Teachers Pay Teachers store at www.teacherspayteachers.com/store/Ann-Boss Night. Learning Cursive, Lesson 15, Lowercase b. I don't think a cursive B looks very much like a printed B. Printed B has that nice round circle, and the cursive B doesn't have a circle at all. Cursive B is a bridge letter. We're just going to have to remember this is the shape of B in cursive. A cursive B is a two-space letter. It goes from the baseline to the headline. It's actually very much like an L and an I with a connector. So we have the beginning, undercurve, loop over, slant, undercurve, and the mini undercurve or bridge. So when we make our B, we really already know all those strokes. It's an undercurve, up two spaces, over, slant. I like to keep the undercurve a little straighter up when going up so that the B is not too far apart and we can tell for sure that it's all one letter. So we have undercurve, loop over, slant, and then this undercurve goes all the way to the midline, and then the bridge. As you get ready to complete your lowercase b practice page, remember to have your desk cleared off with nothing but your paper and your pencil. Remember you need to be sitting up straight, have a good slant on your paper to the right or to the left, and have your name written neatly on these lines. This is the model of our B. It shows that it has the loop of an L and the beginning of an I, which ends with a connector. When we do our training wheel letters, we begin at the baseline, we go up and touch the headline, make that slant down, and the undercurve touches the midline, and we make the mini undercurve or connector bridge. When we're making it, we need to keep the slant line nice and straight, and we need to keep the undercurve kind of nice and straight too, but a little bit straighter up than a regular undercurve. We want to make sure our loop doesn't get crooked or too fat. We want to make sure that this doesn't start slanting in, and we want to make sure the bridge is easily seen. When we've finished practicing our traced letters and we're ready to do the strokes on our own, we can come down here and we'll do an undercurve that's two spaces over, a slant line two spaces, turning into an undercurve that touches the midline, and a mini undercurve or bridge. Again, we have the two space undercurve, two space slant line, touch the baseline, touch the midline for a great B. As you can see, I corrected my last B so that it would be a great B. And now you're going to go ahead and do a line with traced, a line on your own, another line with traced, and another line on your own. And then we'll begin working on connecting B's.